Hi. Today, we are going to discuss the importance of network assessment when planning to use Microsoft 365. The Microsoft service is designed to enable customers worldwide to connect to the service using the Internet. For enterprise-class deployments, reliable and appropriately sized Internet connectivity is a critical aspect of consuming its features. Therefore, it is essential for customers to assess their existing and future Internet connectivity needs as part of the deployment project. Here are some general pointers. First of all, you need to know how many employees will have access to services. Based on that, you can build a forecast of how many users you will have in the next 2 years. You will also need to know how many devices are connected to your network, including computers, phones, tablets, and personal devices. You will then need to have an inventory of the applications or services that are running in the cloud. Look at the licensing and the services included in your subscriptions, and find out the ones that are more bandwidth consuming. For example, marketing departments make extensive use of videos or high-resolution images, which are way more bandwidth consuming than other services. If you're hosting a cloud PBX, find out how many users are connected to it. Provide all this information to your ISP. They will help you determine how much bandwidth you need. Also make sure that your ISP provides a scalable service that can grow with your company. For SaaS services like M365, you should also account for redundancy. You should always have a failover connection to ensure operations continuity in case of outages or service disruptions. The network assessment can be performed by different individuals or organizations, depending on the size and preferences. It involves evaluating the network scope to understand what steps and resources are required to successfully adopt Microsoft 365. A comprehensive network assessment will provide possible solutions to networking design challenges and implementation details. Some assessments may show that optimal network connectivity can be achieved with minor configuration changes to the existing network infrastructure. However, in some cases, the assessment may reveal that additional investments in networking components are needed. For example, enterprise networks spanning multiple locations may require investments in SD-WAN solutions or optimized routing infrastructure. Specialized direct connectivity might also be necessary to meet specific regulation or performance requirements for services like Microsoft Teams. To assist customers with network assessments, Microsoft offers the Microsoft 365 Connectivity Test. This is a proof-of-concept tool that runs basic connectivity tests against your tenant. The tool can be found at connectivity.office.com. The Microsoft 365 Connectivity Test provides specific network design recommendations for optimal performance. The tool checks network egress locations, tests network paths to the nearest M365 service front door, and runs performance tests for various services. As you land on the Connectivity Test webpage, you have two options for running the test. You can have the tool to automatically detect your location, or you can add your location manually. Optionally, you can also add your domain for more detailed results. Scroll down and click on the Run Test button to start the test. Results are almost instant. In the Summary tab, you will find a map detailing your location and the location of the best recommended gateways for you, for example for the Exchange and SharePoint front doors to the Microsoft Cloud. If you switch to the Details tab, you will find the same information that is relayed on the map in an easy-to-read list format. From the menu on the right, you can also validate the Microsoft 365 Network Health status without leaving the app. In conclusion, when considering M365 for your organization, a network assessment is crucial to ensure a secure and reliable service. This will help you understand your connectivity requirements, make necessary adjustments to your network infrastructure, and provide the best user experience for Microsoft 365 services. Find out more in our YouTube channel.